Welcome to Mint Canvas Studio. Today I will show you how to use our new content planner. This content calendar is designed for small business owners, content creators, or freelancers wanting to create a successful marketing campaign, drive traffic to their website, and boost social media strategies. We wanted to design something simple, effective, and easy to use so everyone could benefit from this tool and never feel overwhelmed by social media again. First, I will give you a quick tour of the template. Then I will explain how to use it. There are some useful features I will highlight as we go, but for now, let's just give it a quick overview. The template starts with the Customise page, where you will personalize all the drop-down items and the column names. Then we have the hashtag vault, where you will write all your favorite hashtags and divide them into different groups you will name. I will show you the reason in a moment. Once you added all the hashtags, you can move to the content calendar, the heart of the template. Here you can plan all your social media posts and input your content ideas. When you assign dates to your posts, they will appear in the content calendar. Finally, I created an idea bank where you can write down all your content ideas and collect all inspirations from other creators. You can also mark them as done when you use them. And now let's look at some examples of how you can use this template efficiently. You will receive a blank template, but I included a pre-filled version like this one to inspire you. As usual, the white cells are the only cells you will interact with in the template. We start with the Customise page here. Here you can personalize the names of the first 3 columns of the content calendar and idea bank. I call them content pillar, format, and goal, but you can change the name as you see fit or leave it as is. Another thing you can personalize on this page is the checkboxes at the end of the content table. I named them plan, script, visuals, schedule, sponsored, and repost, but you can name them whatever you need, like this. You can use them to track your progress while working on your posts, or they can also be a visual help to see if you need to add something to your content or publish it right away. Once you choose the names, you can start filling the drop-downs according to your needs. Other than the customizable columns, we have the status and platforms that need to be filled for the calendar to work properly. Once everything is ready, we can move on to the hashtag vault. You can start by writing all the useful hashtags in the first column. I created a space for 200 hashtags, but let me know if you need more. Remember to write your hashtags without blank spaces and the hashtag symbol. Once you choose all the useful hashtags, you will divide them into different groups. These groups can relate to your industry niche and sub-niches. Since it's easy to lose track of which hashtag you used if you have a lot of them, every time you repeat a word, this cell will turn red to let you know. The same will apply to the hashtag group. Every time you repeat the hashtag, the cell will turn red, so it will be very easy for you to correct the error. You have 10 hashtag groups with 100 cells each, and at the end of the group, a text box will show you the hashtags with the symbol in front. If you want, you can copy the cell and paste it whenever you need. Once you've set up your hashtag page, you can move on to the next tab, the content calendar. This is where you plan your content. The page is divided into 2 sections. One is the content planner, and the other is the content calendar. You set the calendar here and double-click the white cell to decide where you want to start the calendar. You can start it with today's date, for example, or the first day of the month. And the calendar beneath will adapt accordingly with your next 5 weeks. The content planner allows you to plan for 100 different content pieces, and the calendar will show you up to 5 content ideas per day, so you have plenty of space to plan your social media posts. If you prefer to plan month by month, and you want a new content planner and calendar for each month, I included a blank tab with the content calendar you cannot modify but duplicate. To start anew, click on the tab and select Duplicate from the menu. And you will have a new blank page to plan your content. Let's go back to the planner now. Once you decide the day you want the planner to start, you can dump all your ideas on the table. Start with the content pillar, the format, the goal, and the platform. Then name your content. This column contains the text that will show up in the calendar, so try to be specific. If the cell is too small, you can either enlarge it or reduce the dimension of the text. Input the date by double-clicking on the cell, then input the status and the caption. You can now choose a call to action and the hashtag group from the hashtag vault page. The hashtags will appear automatically in the first colored cell if you want to copy and paste them. I also included a copy-paste cell where the caption, call to action, and hashtags appear together to make it easier to paste. Click on the cell and click Ctrl-C or Command-C and Ctrl-V or Command-V to paste it elsewhere. I also included a notes column if you need to add something else to your content, like the background music or other visuals. If you want, you can insert the image of your content in the visual column. Just click on the cell and on the menu select Insert. Click on Image and then on Insert Image in the cell. I also added a column for the sponsored content where you can add your affiliate or sponsored link. And finally, there are the checkboxes we personalized in the first tab. Use them however you see fit. I just added some examples for visual reference. As you fill out the content planner and add the date, you will see your content appear on the monthly calendar. Today's date will always be highlighted in green, and the same goes for the content due today, as you can see. If you don't want a new tab for each month, keep planning till the end of the planner and change the starting day of the calendar accordingly. The last tab is called Idea Bank. Here you can write all the content ideas you want to develop or are inspired by other creators. An idea bank is key to avoiding feeling like you don't know what to post. You can dump dozens of ideas on this section and develop the ones that speak to you. So each time you start a planning session, you can visit the idea bank and decide what to post. You can also keep track of viral content from your competitors and analyze it to see how you can achieve the same results. The first 4 columns are the same ones you set on the first page. So whenever you want to use the idea, copy and paste it into the content planner as is. You can add notes and a link for inspiration here. Then, when you use the idea, mark it as done and it will be scratched to avoid repetition. And that's all. I designed this template to simplify the life of all content creators who love to be organized and like simple yet effective tools. I hope this content calendar is the solution for you, for your organization's problems, and helps you manage your social media strategies. If you're interested in purchasing the product, the link is in the description. And if you would like more tips on how to use it, do let us know. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon and happy content planning!